Hey collectors, let's check out new upcoming cars by Hot Wheels as a 5 packs. So our first set is a motor show. Another new upcoming 5 pack sets are HW Flames and Mopar. New upcoming Super Treasure Hunt for Mixed J Case, a Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Another new upcoming Super Treasure Hunt for Hot Wheels Mixed K Case, a Mazda 787B. And another new upcoming Super Treasure Hunt by Hot Wheels for Mix N Case, a Celero GT. Now let's check out Hot Wheels mainline car, a Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. A Mini GT x Kaido House presents a Chevrolet Silverado Dually Fire V1, releasing on August 2024. Another new upcoming car by Mini GT x Kaido House presents a Nissan Skyline GTR R34 Kaido Racing Factory V1, releasing on August. And a third car by Mini GT x Kaido House presents a Datsun Street 510 Racing V2, releasing on August. Let's check out some released models by Mini GT. A Nissan Skyline Kenmeri Liberty Walk in a matte black. This model is released and available with sailors. A second car by Mini GT is a Bugatti Divo in a white paint job. A BMW M4 GT3 #1, color of a car, 2023 IMSA Sebring 12 Hours GTD winner, Paul Myler Racing. A Pop Race presents a Nissan Skyline GTR V8 Drift, color of a car, white, made from Diecast, releasing soon. Another new upcoming car by Pop Race presents a Nissan GTR R32, color of car, gun grey metallic, made from Diecast, release date yet to be known. A Aurora Models presents a Toyota 86 Rocket Bunny, color of a car, black and white, limited up to 499 with and without figure, made from Diecast. Release date yet to be known. Our second car by Aurora Models presents a Toyota 86 color of a car HKS livery, limited up to 499 units, with and without figure, made from Diecast, release date yet to be known. A G3D Models presents a Volkswagen Scirocco R, color of a car blue, black, green and white, limited up to 500 each color, made from Diecast, releasing next month. So check out a sneak peek of this car. A GOC Models presents a Ford Crown Victoria, color of a car black, limited up to 800 units, made from Diecast, releasing at the end of this month. So check out a sneak peek of this car. And the last model by Time Micro presents a RWB Beetle Targa, color of car Gulf and Advan livery, limited up to 999 with and without figure, made from Diecast, releasing on June 2024. So check out a sneak peek of this car. So collectors, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to all notifications. See you next time.